So, here we are on the moon. Yep, they're here.
What took you so long to visit me again?
This shot is for love and honor. If you can't come in her, come on her. Woo! Oh, man. Oh, not yet, Lord. Not yet, Jesus. Okay. Woo! I'm distraught. All right. Let's find these aliens, boys. So we got a giant UFO over Las Vegas. This is another mixed bag of videos. This is another dump from my collection. Las Vegas, December 23, 2022 in America.
Right now.
Huh. What? Take some jelly beans or something. It's making me hungry.
What the hell is?
Oh, so this is a gentleman's club, bro. This is gentleman's club. Saffron? UFO overhead of Vegas? Let me see if I can find anything on YouTube real quick for you. 1 second. So Las Vegas.
A mysterious phenomenon occurred during Christmas Eve in Las Vegas, and it was captured by several people. First video to surface the internet was by Hot Red.
UFO directly above the flood right now.
Alright, it's a little bit different.
Pretty goes to Hothead Brett. Credit goes to Hothead Brett, huh? Ooh, spooky. Bear with me, boys and girls. This is for the ladies too.
At first, everybody thought that these lights were seen in the sky.
Next up on the stage, it's E.T. shaking that finger and popping that ass.
Were actually being originated from the strobe lights in the club. However, in the next video that Hothead Red captured, you'll see that this thing, whatever it is something completely different. It's something else entirely. And it's hiding behind the clouds. Check what this all look like.
What the hell is this?
If anything, this light could be a beacon to be able to draw it in to that point of to that central location. Essentially, it could be a signal giving off missed messages to the alien. He thinks it's a party. Now let's hover our spacecraft right above the nightclub. Right? It's like you caught him to that location with that spotlight. Yo, it low key kind of caught him trace that spotlight. Like if a UFO mothership was like, what is that light in the distance?
Whatever this thing is, it's huge and it's reflecting off the strobe lights. You can see here in the video very clearly that at a certain moment here, there you go, it's reflecting off the strobe lights. What the heck is this thing? And well,
what the heck, man? So yeah, that's kind of like, all right. Is this one video footage of it? Is that it? There's not others like from different angles, or essentially it's the same thing. So we got this spotlight. Got you. Yep. Over the club just 2 years ago in Vegas, UAP.
I mean, that's unmistakable. That is a UFO.
Crazy, bro. Tough. That's tough. Okay. All right. Giant UFO over Vegas, man. Crazy. 2 years ago, though. No, 3 years ago. About 2.5 years ago. It's not December yet, you know. So, all right. Like I said, I got a dump for you. So, you want to see some pretty dope stuff? How about NASA captured rare images of the moon passing by Earth? All right. So this, believe it or not, is a still image of it. And this is actually what it looked like. It looked like this as it passed by. Here's the video footage for you. NASA has captured a stunning, rare view of the far side of the moon passing in front of the Earth, thanks to its deep space climate observatory satellite positioned about 1 million miles away. The image, taken by the Earth polychromatic imaging camera called EPIC, show the fully sunlit dark side of the moon, the side never visible from Earth due to the moon's tidal lock. The moon's tidal lock. I didn't even know that. I learned something new today. So that's why the moon don't rotate onto the dark side, because it's tidal locked. I didn't know that. EPIC's role is to monitor Earth's atmosphere, clouds, and vegetation, and will begin providing daily images of Earth soon, about twice a year, as Discover's orbit lines up with the moon's. EPIC will capture both Earth and the moon in the same shot. NASA plans to publish these views to the public within 12 to 36 hours of capture. Crazy, bro. Pretty dope. Here we go. Take it all in, man. See? Yeah, just to capture, you know, like I said, so it's a space climate observatory. Yeah, positioned about 1 million miles away. A satellite positioned about 1 million miles away. Yeah, took this. Yeah. Many, man. All right, I think that's pretty crazy, bro. If you made it this far, you lucky. You lucky you. Alien invasion coming soon. Nah, we gonna do some more moon stuff, man. If I can find more moon. Nope, the moon. Here we go.
You know, the moon is rusted. I've heard about it.
So the moon is rusted. Here we go. I'm gonna have these boys talk about it.
Okay, so there's a...
First and foremost, it says Jesus Christ is Lord. That's 10,000 comments.
This kid took like the most high quality picture of the moon ever taken, over like 2,000 images that he combined. And you can clearly see that the moon is rusting. Okay. I saw this on NASA. Research indicates the presence of hematite, a form of rust that normally requires oxygen and water. This has scientists puzzled. Hematite is a name that is derived from the Greek word meaning blood. Joel 2, it says, "The sun shall be turned to darkness and the moon to blood, and it shall come to pass that everyone who calls in the name of the Lord shall be saved. As the Lord has said, and among the survivors shall be those whom the Lord calls." That's weird. It's throughout scripture. The moon turning to blood, and like, what does that mean? So like the Bible, it was ultimately translated into Greek at one point, right? And the Greek word for blood is hematite, the same word that they use for this rust.
Yeah.
And so it's like the moon has hematite on it.
Yeah.
That's weird. It's all gonna end soon, see you better.
End times is coming, my friends.
You know,
The end times could be near. That's what it feels like. You know, my Jehovah's Witness neighbors think that. They think that's the case. They trying to hurry up and convert me. Feels like a cult to me. You know, this big mothership's supposed to be here, according to the Harvard scientists. Or if we don't fall into World War III, yeah, it's like too many things now, you know? Maybe because of the invention of the internet and the advancements of technology, there's more transparency. So it feels like everything is just, it's an impending doom, you know? But it's just because we have access to more information, and it just becomes all more scarier because of all of it, you know? So this guy says, God is closer than you realize. All right. This other guy says, Jesus Christ is Lord. And this dude said, we have nothing to be afraid of. Call of Jesus Christ. That's how he spelled it. Call it, like almost like Call of Duty. But he said Call of Jesus Christ. So like kind of like Call of Duty, bro. All right, that's tight. Well, let's see what else we got here. So moon. I know I got one more moon. I got these boys. These boys is weird. Look at this.
Well, I don't even understand how the fuck mind went far. Won't think about many things to find my mind from long skirt. What a you free packing up my other little speech on. 50K coming from the back to for a plug wall. Big old
Book a cracker for a plug walk. It's got to be the end of times, man. Jesus need to come back now, man. These dudes is horrible. It's pretty entertaining, though. It's pretty entertaining.
Bentley, it's a spaceship. Ollie.
Bentley is a spaceship. It's right on topic, man. Right on par.
Hey, on my phone, I don't say shit. I make money when I talk. I'm a boss, take a lot. What? I don't understand how the fuck my won't think about many things to find on plug wall. Skirt.
Watch his face. He falls out of character.
You packing up my other little speech on. 50K coming from the back to for a plug wall. Big old Bentley, it's a spaceship. Calling on my phone, I don't say shit. I'll make money when I talk.
He's like, what the fuck? Okay, all right, that shit's it's funny. Yeah, all right. We might as well just go over some more 3-eye atlas stuff. The creepiest explanation of Fermi paradox. Nope. All right. One more video for you. We're gonna wrap it up. And I choose. Never went to the moon. Oh no, that's for another day. We've already went over and saw this video before, but I'll show it to you one more time. This is the moon, bro. This is the moon, apparently. And I don't know what's recording it. So legitimacy, like, I don't know if it's really there. Like, what is it, a satellite? What do we have on the moon recording the moon to get this footage? You know, what do we got to get the footage to begin with? Oh, is it a satellite, or is it like a somebody saw these years ago, way before any AI, this footage has been around, man. This footage has been around for a long time before AI. Okay, I can't believe people think we are the only planet with life on it. This is the moon, okay? So look how high it has to be to cast a shadow like this. It has to be really high off of the surface, because at least it has to be about this distance from my pointer all the way down, and then casting the shadow like right here if the sun is up here somewhere to the right. It picks up speed and just blasts off, man. Man. You see this bad boy? This TikTok flying past. And people are right. AI, it's hard to believe anything you see online nowadays, you know? But they're saying this footage has been out and been around well before AI. So I'm not sure. I don't have a timestamp on this. Let's see. Any worthwhile comments? If it's real, then it's a concern. 27 likes. Well, ain't nothing we could do about it, bro. You know? It's futile. It's very futile. It's all in vain. It's all for nothing. Resistance is futile. All right, well, that's a bunch of moon stuff for you. You got a Vegas UFO sighting over the strip club in Vegas. I think it was Saffron, if I read that correctly. Go back and rewind the video if you want to know what strip club that was. But that concludes the video. Thanks, and catch you in the next one, bro. I'll be making another video soon enough, so stay tuned for that.